Hello everyone, let me introduce to the Matchbox openable series, open part series, moving part series. So these cars launched recently. Now I will unbox these both of cars in front of you, and let's show how it's quality. And I like this. I like both of these cars. Okay, so let's see their cards first. At all. So here, new Novio 2025 Cadillac. Here is its gold metal lifetime design guarantee. Matchbox moving parts made from recycled metal. Fabric in metal recycle. So this one here is its MRP, which is $399, but I got it from Escalde online. So I got it this in 450 rupees Indian rupees and plus the shipping charge, delivery charge. So the both of purchased in 1000 rupees. Okay, तो सबसे पहले इसका जो कार्ड है ना, ये कार्ड मुझे इतनी प्यारी लगी थी कि मैंने इसको बिना वीडियो बनाई थी अनबॉक्स कर ली थी। तो मैं इसको दिखाता हूँ। सबसे पहले इसका कार्ड दिखा दूँ। ये मैसराती लाइफ ग्रैंड ऐसे बॉक्स में आती है, ओपन रहती है, पीछे काफ़ी ज़्यादा हैवी है ये कार। इसका सारे डिटेल 2024 Mesarati Granturismo Matchbox logo 2025 model. So you can see very shining, very cool brown acrylic color. Interior, body interior. See its back look. Its upside top look. Very cool window and the detailing of thicker detailings of headlamps and Mesarati logo, front grille, radiator grille. And the second one is okay. This is Caddilac open parts, and here is this is openable. So it is not too good to collectible, and we can collect although. So 25 Caddilac Escalde 2024 metal made in Thailand. So from the side look, it seems greater instead of Caddilac what they made. So well, by the way, there is no any comparison between this Caddilac EV and Tomica Toyota Land Cruiser, but let me show both of these white SUVs.